Guys, good evening all. Share my screen. Can anyone confirm can see my screen, right?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It visible.
Okay.
Sir,
Thanks for confirming. So let's have a quick recap. So the last session I was discussing about the DBMS versus database server, and then I've explained the SQL introduction. And then we started SQL 14 commands, the initial usages. Sairam from FP10, can you go mute, please? Thank you. Okay. So that's, the last session summary. Yeah, we will start today into the create command. So, but yeah, let me pose you some questions on the last session, okay? Yeah, so first we'll go with this way. Okay. So in SQL, each statement is called as what? Generally, SQL statements are called as what?
Query.
queries.
Correct, correct. Can we execute multiple queries at a time?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No. Is it semicolon is mandatory for every query?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sensitive or not?
No.
Not sensitive.
Not sensitive.
No. So SQL has totally how many commands?
14 commands.
14.
Right.
14
14 is categorized into.
5.
Okay. So first I'll go with the question. So what is the difference between drop and truncate, guys?
Drop is a command
Drop
which
deletes.
is used to delete entire table from the
Wait.
user.
No, that's what I was not expected. Okay.
Drop is
Wait,
used
wait. Actually, guys, I forgot to give you,
delete the whole database.
wait. I think yesterday, I forgot to give you one shortcut. Sorry, my bad. That I'll try to give it now. So these are, the SQL commands, the 5 categories, correct? So I forgot yesterday to give in a shortcut. So remember the shortcut, guys, Dr. Cat, okay, for a DDL. And for this, you can remember a shortcut UD. And here, guys, you can remember a shortcut GR. And here, guys, you can remember a shortcut SRC. And here, guys, you can remember one letter, that is S. I missed it yesterday, sorry. So these are shortcuts you can remember. Now you can easily understand the things, guys. Okay. Now, if I ask you what is drop versus truncate, you should say both are from DDL or DML.
DDL.
DDL, sir.
Correct. You should say that statement first. Okay. Yeah. Anyhow, the major difference you already covered. So is drop will delete the table data or entire table?
Entire table, sir.
Deletes
table.
Entire table. I want to delete specific rows. Which command I have to use?
Truncate.
Wait. You're not listening to the question.
delete, sir.
Delete, sir. Delete DML command.
Right, it's right. So, okay, listen the question. I want to, okay, I want to delete one column from the table. One column. Which come? Yes, nice. Alter command. And I want to delete few rows.
Delete command.
Delete command. Nice. I want to update all the rows, guys.
Alter.
Rows.
Update.
Rows.
Rows
Update.
update, sir. Rows update.
Update. Okay. So tell me, update is a command from DML or DDL category?
DML, sir.
DML, sir.
Alter.
DDL command, sir.
Okay. Let's say I want to do permanent save. Which command I have to use? I want to do permanent save.
Commit, sir.
Let's say unnecessarily I ran one update command. So data is already updated, but I want to go back.
Roll back, sir.
No. I should say to save point and roll
Save
back.
point and roll back.
Save point and
Correct. Okay, nice. And then I want to insert 10 rows. Which command I have to use?
Insert, sir. DML command.
Okay. Now, what is the purpose of create command?
Use it to create
Use it
tables.
to create database
Table
and
data.
database objects.
Nice. This is a pretty answer, guys. Always you can remember. Create is a command used to create a database and database objects. So what are the database objects?
Table,
Anyone?
Table
sequence,
object, sequence
index,
object, index, view,
view, procedure,
trigger, function, view.
trigger, function.
Nice, nice. Guys, these are all, as I explained yesterday, items in a bag. Okay. If you think bag is a database, okay, and inside the bag, the items are nothing but these objects. The table, sequence, index, view, okay, procedure, function, trigger. At the end of SQL, everybody should know how to create the 7 objects and what is the purpose of the 7 objects. At the end of SQL, that's the agenda of learning SQL, guys. 7 objects, everybody should know it. Tables, sequence, index, view, procedure, function, and trigger. Okay. I think, guys, yeah, we are all good. I think we are good to go. Today the first command I'll explain, that is something of create command. So we already learned create command. So create command is to create a table, sorry, database, but create command also use it to create tables, right? Use it to create a table. So yeah, can I say a table is one of the database object?
Yes, you can
Yes.
say yes.
Right. Yes, one of the database object. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a table for it. Okay, but before that, there are two prerequisites you should know it. Okay, there are no two prerequisites you should know it. Apart from the SQL, if you want to know how to create a table, there are two prerequisites are there. Prerequisite is one is you should know SQL data types and you should know SQL constraints. Okay, so I'll be deep diving to this both, and throughout your SQL journey, in every program, we use a create command, and wherever you use a create command to create a table, in every place we will use these data types and constraints. Okay, next 20 to 25 minutes will be a key concept to understand the create table. Okay, so I'll start with SQL data types first. Okay, I'll start with SQL data type first. Guys, you know already C language data types, right? Anybody recall what is a C language data types?
Int char,
Not
int
long,
dot,
double, char,
double char.
Correct, correct.
string.
You are right. Let's say, yeah, I'll give one table. So we'll try to fill the table so that you can understand what is, the data types actually. Okay. So guys, these are my requirement. We'll see what we use in Java and we'll see what we use in SQL. Both are languages, right? Java is a programming language. SQL is a query language. So we'll see. The first we'll go with, sir, I want to store a student age.
Int,
Yeah.
int,
Yeah.
int,
Sir, I don't know Java. If you know C, there you can tell me the answer in C also. That's fine.
int.
Yeah. Yeah. We use int, correct? So if you want
Yes.
to store a student age, we use int data type. Now,
Same
if you want to
number,
store a student grade,
number.
no. Let's complete this. I want to store a
Character.
student grade. Yeah.
Character.
Use char data type. Percentage,
Float,
Float.
name.
char,
Float.
string.
See, if you are a, Java C background, then I'm sure you heard array of character. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes,
My name is Shanti, right? So we have a 6 letters. Then you can create a character with 6 array size. It can store a name. But in Java, we have a ready-made class.
String.
So we can use ready-made class also. A choice is yours. Any one of you can use it, but recommendation is now string. Okay. And this is a C way to create a string. Guys. Now let's say date of birth. I want to store a date of birth of a student. Then in Java, we use a class called something, date class. So it will store date, month, year of any student. Okay. So this is, one more data type you need to know it. And the last one is photo. Is photo is textual data or non-textual data? Photo.
Non-text.
Non-textual data.
If it is a non-textual, let's say audio, video,
Binary.
okay. Yeah, correct. You're right. Audio, video, image, animated thing, document, software, everything is called as something, binary data only. Binary data only. So to store photos or a document, anything in Java, we use a data type called byte. Okay. Yeah, in Java we have a data type called byte. To store, we use byte to store, non-structural data like audios, videos, and everything. Okay. So I think everyone clear on Java data types. Then we'll quickly, see in SQL what we use it. Guys, in SQL, we use number. There's no int. Okay, we use number. And in SQL still we use char. Okay, and in SQL still we use float. Okay, and in SQL still we use something, character with some size. Okay, character with size. Yeah, you have to give the size. Let's say if you want to store my name, you have to give char of 6. Okay, CHANTI, 6 characters, right? That way you need to give the size. Also, guys, I have one more data type saying something of varchar. So the difference between char and varchar is char allow only alphabets, 26 alphabets. That's it. Only 26 alphabets. But your varchar allow your all keyboard keys. Nothing but characters, I mean alphabets, digits, and
Numbers
special
and
characters. Yes.
Special
Characters,
symbols.
alphabets, digits, and number. All three can allow, in
Sir,
varchar.
also special characters we can write in varchar.
Everything, man. So 26 alphabets,
Okay, sir.
10 digits, and all special character like ampersand, at the rate, everything.
Okay.
Okay. So that's what varchar will do. Okay. I hope this is clear, everyone. And let's talk about the last two. Still, we can use same data type date. And guys, here we use something, blob. Blob stands for B for byte again. Guys, B for byte again. LOB stands for large objects. L for large objects. This is something, a summary of SQL data types. Sir, when to use this? Yeah, I'll come to know, but I think everyone clear, right? SQL data types. So you can remember totally 6 data types are given. Number, char, float, char with size, varchar with size, and date, and blob. Any queries on first prerequisites to create a command, to create a table? All good? Guys,
Yes,
all
sir.
good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And yeah, you're not supposed to surprise after 5 to 10 minutes to me when I start going, a creating table. Okay, please don't surprise me. If you have any doubts, stop me right away. Once I can explain blob. Okay. See, thanks. Yeah, I think I don't want to call your name. I think, yeah, this is, wonderful statement to me. Once I can explain blob. Okay, yeah, I'll explain guys what is blob. In Naukri, you can, if you want to have an account, it'll give your name, mobile number, okay, and your qualification, everything. And also you have a flexibility to upload your resume, correct? So resume is non-textual information, correct? Right. So if you want to store that kind of, resumes, we use a blob, a database side. Okay, blob is a one data type. What it will do here is it will take your resume and convert into byte. Convert into bytes, zeros and ones. And that's it is called, large objects. It's not a text, right? So, a PDF or, documents, a large object, right? So that's the reason they're called as blob. Can you confirm you're clear now? Someone said once, explain me. I did. Can you acknowledge it quickly? You're clear?
Sir? Sir?
Yes, Chandana, go ahead.
Sir, why do you use numbers, sir? Sometimes use int also, sir. Yes,
Yes, yes. Chandana, see, this is Oracle I was teaching, correct? Thanks, ma. I can give you the, clarity here. I'm giving SQL with Oracle, correct? In SQL Oracle, we use number, ma. And if we go with SQL with MySQL, they won't use number. Instead, they use int. Okay.
okay, sir.
You understood, right? I know you already guys practiced, in your BTech with MySQL database, if I'm not wrong. So that way, this conflict will come. I hope this will make sense, everyone. So database to database, slight changes are there, not major changes. So these kind of changes you can observe. Okay. Make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
nice. Guys, your questions always helps to other and as well as you. So don't keep the questions with you. Okay, just shoot out in the chat. If it is meaningless, okay, I'll leave it. Okay, if it is definitely, worthful, I'll definitely read it. And I won't read your name also. So don't feel shy. Okay, feel free to use a chat for the queries. Okay. Yep. So this is clear, everyone, I believe. Now let's talk about something, the second important concept, that is something, constraint. SQL constraints. So first I'll go what is constraint and why we use what is constraint and why you use constraints. Totally we have 6 constraints, guys. Okay. We have total, 6 constraints. So I'll be explaining one by one. One by one by one.
Not null, sir.
Yeah. Oh, it's non-null I given. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Okay. And then this is something there. That's just, yeah. Yeah, guys, these are totally 6 constraints. Next 20 minutes, I'll be discussing about only constraints. So if you have any doubts, please stop me. Okay. Yeah. Sufficient data type to store time. Yes. Thanks for asking it. Yeah, I given very limited data type there, date, but we do have date time and timestamp classes
Timestamp.
data types also. Okay. Yeah. That's also a separate topic again. Okay. Sir, we don't have a double. No, we don't have a double body. Okay. Sir, what is the difference between varchar and varchar2? Nice, nice. This is what, yeah. I told you, nobody, you can always use the chart. I can see very interesting questions from you guys. This is there as part of my upcoming session. The difference between varchar and varchar2 is also there. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for asking the questions. Okay, let's get into, SQL constraints. Okay. Maybe I can. Guys, I was doing stop share for a moment because I need to take some Excel sheet. So yeah, I almost have taken. Yes, I'm done. I'm sharing my screen back. So why we don't use array-like concept in SQL? No, no, no. Maybe you'll come to know how I will be using arrays in SQL. Okay, yeah, you can see it. So guys, I took one Excel sheet here just for sample. Okay, assume one company has visited to 360-degree. Okay, one company has visited to 360-degree, and that company given one online link to you. Okay, online link to you, and in the online link, if you open it, you'll get a one form. Okay, you'll get a one form, and this form, guys, looks like this only. Okay, so the form, you can see they are asking you to enter your full name, then passport number, then mail ID. Okay, and then they're asking to fill something, your institute name. Okay, institute name. So and also let's take something, percentage also. Guys, this is a form. Okay, a form. They're asking you to fill this form. Now, first user has came and he started filling the details. You remember, a table is created once with this all the fields. Okay, a table is created, right? So these are the columns actually. These are the columns actually. These are the columns actually. Okay, yeah. Let me zoom it. I think now everybody able to see it. Okay, if I'm not wrong. 1 second, guys. Let's delete this. Okay. Yeah. So I hope everyone can able to see this. Okay. Now, guys, the first student. Okay, the first student name is something Ganesh. Okay, and he filled his details there. As soon as he click on submit, the details will be sitting as a row here. Okay, I'll repeat. First user is Ganesh. He filled this form, and then submit button is there. As soon as he click on submit, the details will be sitting like this. So let's say the passport number is something pass something 01, and is given a mail ID Gani at the rate of gmail.com, and percentage is given, let's say 78.52, and institute name is 360-degree. That's what he given it. Okay. Okay. So what is it? Yeah. What is this full name, passport, mail ID, and percentage? Institute name? All are what, guys? I just want to hear the answers from you.
Metadata.
Nice, nice. But also we can call it as
Columns.
columns, correct? Yeah. The columns is a proper word that we have to use it. So these are all the columns. Okay, nice. Now, what about these guys? Like Ganesh,
Rows.
Pa01.
Row.
Huh?
Records.
Right. you should say the,
Tuples.
yeah,
Tuples.
correct. Guys, any one of the term that you can use, that's nice. Okay. You can use any one of the term. Okay, any one of the term you can use it. Either you can call it as something, a row or whatever it is. Okay. Right. Now in row, guys, if we think this is a row, this row, Ganesh is there now. Ganesh is a cell one. Yeah, we have to say cell. This is a cell two, cell three, cell four, cell five. So this row is going to be stored into this table. The table name is something, students. Okay. Before I want to store this row, before I want to store this row inside the student table, before I want to store this row inside this student table, I want to verify whether this data is valid data or not. Okay, I want to check whether this data is valid data or not to sit in full name, to sit into passport, to sit into mail ID, to sit into percentage, to sit into institute name. I want to validate it. Then we use a concept called something of constraints. Okay, so constraints are conditions. Guys, constraints are condition to the values which are going to be inserting into the table. I'll read it one more time. Constraints are the conditions are used to validate the values are valid to store inside the table. So that's the constraint will do it. Yeah, I'll go with one by one constraint now explanation. So first I'll go with something not null constraint. But before that, let's say second student has filling his detail. Yes, second student. This is row one, nothing but student one, correct? Yes, row one, nothing but student one. Now student two also fill his details and he click on submit button. Assume second student name also Ganesh. Is it possible or not?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
Possible.
so second student can be a possible something, Ganesh. Okay, second student name also can be a, student. Let's say that guy given pass 02. Okay, that guy given his passport number to pass 02, and then he given again. Definitely, he should give different mail ID, right? So same mail ID if you give, it won't take in, correct? So let's give this mail ID, and the percentage is given something, 77 point something, and he's also belongs to 360 degree. Okay, so I think everyone are clear on this data. One second. Yep. Let's talk about the next one. Next student has visited. Guys, in form level, nothing but yeah, the form is visible to the students, right? In form level, they have not created any validations. Okay, they have not created any validation, nothing but full name should not be empty, password should not be empty. Like that, no, they have not done any validation. That's the issue with the front end people. The front end people will not done the validation. Now, the third student, he's not entered his name. Okay, but he given his passport number. He given his passport number. He given his passport number to something 03, and he given his mail ID. Okay, like this, and he given a same percentage, and he given an institute. Now tell me, guys, the row is valid row or not?
Not, sir.
Why?
Sir, column have a not empty, sir.
Right. So you have to say that this row is invalid row. The reason is it allowing empty value. Okay, the reason is it should not allow empty value. It should not allow it. Okay, but here the problem is it is allowing empty values. It allowing empty values. Does that make sense? Why row 3 is not valid? Does that make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so row 3 is invalid because it allowing empty. But we have to restrict or not? Guys, we have to restrict or not this behavior?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then guys, you have to use a constraint called something, not null. So if we use not null constraint, guys, if we use not null constraint, it's a solution. It's a solution of your first problem, guys. So the first problem is what? Full name column should not allow empty values. That's your problem. And the solution is not null. So declare full name with not null constraint. Guys, declare your full name with not null constraint. So it will solve this issue. It will not allow empty values. That's what not null will do. Sir, how to declare not null to full name? Yeah, we'll be seeing the query. But yeah, you should understand that why this is a wrong data and what is the issue and how it is resolved. Make sense, everyone? When it
Yes,
is
sir.
not null? Come again. If we declare not null to any column, if we declare not null to any column, how the column will behave? Can you please unmute and tell me?
It will not
Won't
allow.
allow null value.
But is it allow duplicates as per the scenario? Is it allow duplicates?
Yes, yes.
It should allow, you should say, sir, because the student names can be same, no? Yeah, it should allow. Okay. So not null cannot allow empty. Not null cannot allow empty, but allow duplicates. Make sense, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's talk about the next student, guys. So this guy, the next student now. This guy, the next student now. See, let's say the person name is Harish. Okay, his name is Harish. And what he was doing? Okay, guys, what he was doing? He don't have passport number. Okay, so he thought to give the passport number of his friend. The first guy is there, no? The Harish friend. But he has a definitely a mail ID. Let's say something Hari 11@gmail.com. I given some percentage and he given institute. Now tell me, guys, do you really think that it's a proper data?
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir. Same password.
Before duplicate password.
So in general, one passport number should not given used by other student numbers. Correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So the statement you need to remember that it is allowing duplicate values. Correct? Hey guys, duplicate values. Right? It is allowing. This is the issue. This is the issue, guys. This is a wrong data. Pass 01 is a wrong data. Anyhow, I'll make it in red. Okay. This pass 01 is wrong data because the pass 01 is other student. The other student should not allow. Okay. One more thing is, if you don't have a passport number, if I ask you now right away to everyone, is everybody has a passport number? Hey, guys,
No.
everybody has a passport number?
No.
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
No, right? Maybe. Now, if I ask you, hey, do you have a driving license number? If I ask you, do you have a driving
No.
license number?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Some people say, some people say no. It means if passport is not there, okay, it can allow empty values just like this. It can be allow empty values. Maybe I can show you a good data here. Maybe I can show a good data here. If Harish doesn't have the passport number, the flexibility is he can give empty. He can give empty. This is valid data. This is the valid data. But this is the row 4 is not valid data because it's allowing duplicate. Okay, then guys, in this use cases, you have to use a construct called something unique. In this cases, you have to use a construct called something unique. So what unique will do is unique can allow empty, unique can allow empty, okay, but unique cannot allow duplicate. So for unique case, this duplicate pass number is not allowed. So I can say not null and unique are opposite, guys. You're clear on not null, right?
Yes, sir.
Not null means it cannot allow empty, but allow duplicates. And unique is opposite, guys. Unique is opposite. So what unique will do? It cannot allow duplicate, okay, but allow empty values.
Okay.
Hope this will make sense, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I was not 100% sure that you're clear. Guys, if you're clear, help me to add one more column, like full name. Tell me one column where I can fit into this table and which is a not null. Can anyone unmute and tell me? Just introduce me one more column which will satisfy this behavior. Full name, not null. Can you?
I think, sir, age.
Age, are you sure age? Yeah, it could be. You're right, ma, age. So age means, yeah, multiple student can have the same age, but they should not leave it as empty. Correct? That's what, not null. You're absolutely correct.
Sir,
Yeah, age is, a not null.
sir,
Yes.
sir, instead of unique, we can use primary key, right?
No, no. Rakesh, can you please edit your name with your branch first? I mean, batch
Oh.
number. Okay, I'll come to your answer. Okay. Rakesh, the
Yes, sir.
primary key will come to know, next phase. Let's focus on not null and unique first, okay? He'll come to know when it is primary key as well, okay? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Guys, can you help me one more column that I can fit into this table where I can use unique? Can you?
Student ID.
Ah,
Phone number.
PAN number.
wait, guys. Just think. I just now explained. Unique allow empty. Unique allow empty. You should say this is case. If I say Aadhaar, everybody has Aadhaar, right? Why you
Driving
say if
license.
you say phone
Pan,
number
sir, pan.
again PAN array? Why you saying
Water
PAN?
ID,
Man?
water
Your
ID,
age is
water
about
ID.
20,
Water
definitely.
ID, sir, water ID.
Acha Rakesh, you don't have voter ID.
Sir, some of
Driving
the
license.
You're right. You're right. You're right. Okay. I'm not saying it's wrong. Yeah. It could be, right. Yeah.
water
Your voter number, voter card, okay, and driving license number, all are will be, unique only. Because if you don't have it, yeah, there is a flexibility to leave empty. Okay.
sir,
Right.
branch, different
Hey,
branches.
no, man. Branch should be there, no, for every student. It should
Okay,
not.
sir. It might be null. Okay.
Right. Okay. I hope everyone clear, right? Guys, not learning unique. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
No, I was not getting confidence. Are we good?
Yes,
Not
sir.
unique?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Hey, you need not to unmute, man. Just give a thumbs up symbol. I can see. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Let's jump to, the next use case, guys. This use case. Okay. So as I explained, this is the wrong data. Okay. Just ignore it. Let's talk about another student, guys. Okay. Let's say the name is something Harinath. Okay. The name is something Harinath. He don't have a passport. So definitely we have a flexibility him to, leave empty. Okay. Now, what he was doing is he was leaving empty. And he was leaving mail ID also empty. Okay. Anyhow, he given us some, percentage in his street name. Now tell me, guys, is this a valid data? If not, tell me why it is not invalid.
Mail ID, sir.
So here, if you see, guys, this, the next student, right?
Be
Let's say
enter.
the row number 5, it's invalid data. The reason is, okay, your email ID, you're leaving empty. So it is allowing empty values. I'm not talking about passport. Passport, yeah, you already declared unique, it allow empty. Okay, but I'm talking about a mail ID, guys. So mail ID should not allow empty. Okay, let's focus on one more row. Guys, let's focus on one more row. Okay, let's say Zunaid, or let's say something, Hari Kishan. Okay, name is something, Hari Kishan. His name is Hari Kishan. And again, still he don't have a passport number. We have a flexibility to leave him empty. Now, what he was given? He given his friend mail ID, guys. His friend, mail ID, he given it. Yeah. Now tell me, guys, whether it is a valid data or not.
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Password ma-
Duplicates.
Correct.
Duplicate
So
value.
these two guys are Harinath and Harikishan. Both are, invalid data. The reason is Harinath should not leave his mail ID empty, and Harikishan should not use other email IDs. Okay, this is a use case now. So now, guys, will go step by step. If I give mail ID with not null constraint, okay, what is the benefit and what is the problem? What is the issue here? If I give not null, what is the benefit?
It can allow duplicate values, sir.
Correct. So it means Hari double one is valid. Okay. And this empty, yeah, empty should not allow, but not null, yeah, will allow duplicate. Again, not null will not suffice here. Let's replace with unique. Now guys tell me, if I give unique, what is the benefit?
It
It allow null values.
Yeah. See, this is valid data now. This is valid data now, but it is allowing empty. Again, it's not satisfying the condition. Then there is only one possibility. We can use both combination like this. Now, if I use both combination, guys, okay, then this will be proper because unique can allow empty, cannot allow duplicate. Not null can allow empty, and it cannot allow duplicate values. Sorry, it cannot allow empty and it allow duplicate value. So this is the behavior we need it. Guys, don't confuse here. Forget about what it allows. Remember what it not allows. Unique cannot allow duplicate. Not null cannot allow empty. We need this behavior, right? We need this behavior. In that case, guys, you have to use something, primary key. So we can say primary key is equal to both not null and unique. So if I declare mail ID with primary key, okay, if I declare mail ID with primary key, so now mail ID have the two features. It cannot allow empty, it cannot allow duplicate. It cannot allow empty, it cannot allow duplicate. These two features you can use with the primary key. I hope everyone clear on primary key. Confirm,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
nice. Okay, now introduce me one column for this table where I can give a primary key. Introduce one column. We already
Student
discussed.
ID.
ID.
Yes,
ID,
yes,
ID.
yes. Student ID, phone number, Aadhaar, right? Absolutely correct. Mobile number, all are, yeah, your primary keys only. But there's a limitation is there. The limitation of, the primary key is it can be have only, one table can have only one primary key. One table can have, okay, can have only one primary key. We cannot create more than one primary key. Sir, what about the unique and not null? Yeah, you can create n number, guys. You can create multiple not nulls, you can create multiple uniques, but there's a limitation. You cannot create more than one primary key. Okay, I'll come to the solution also. Like let's say that there's a situation that really I want to create more than one more field where phone number. So phone number will be again a primary key, right? But as I explained here, you cannot create more than one primary key. So what is the solution for it? Yeah, I'll come to know the solution during our practice sessions. Okay, not now. I hope this is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Primary key.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's introduce one more Kiran. Okay, and Kiran has a passport. Let's say pass some 07 example, and he given his mail ID also like this. Okay, but the problem here is he given this percentage, guys. He given this percentage. Okay, the problem here is actually they given him one restriction. The company has given him one restriction. The restriction is your percentage should be above 70. The percentage should be above 70. But what is the percentage here? 54.3, right? So the point that I want to tell that, okay, here it is not passing the test. Not passing the test. Okay, it is not passing the test. Nothing but they given a criteria as 70 and it's not meeting. So guys, this is also a invalid row. Since they given a new passport number, new mail ID, but this criteria is not meeting it. So this is we can say, yeah, a invalid data. Sir, how do we validate this? Yeah, in that
Check,
place, guys,
check.
you have to use a concept called something, check. Yeah, you're right. So check is a one constraint. Guys, check is a one constraint. So what it will do, it will check a value whether it is passing a test or not. How to write the test? Yeah, that's very simple. I'll explain, no worries. Okay, writing this, no, it's very simple. But yeah, the check is used to pass a test for a value. If it is pass the test, then only that will be stored into the row. Otherwise, won't be stored. That is something to check. Guys, if you have cleared it, can you introduce me one more column?
Sir,
Age.
Yes.
Sir, check
Age.
is used for only integers, sir.
Numbers. Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay, so if let's say if the check, yeah, someone said age. Can I give age 233? Example. Can I give age
No, sir.
233?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, right? And can I give age is minus 46?
No, sir. Only
No,
positive
sir.
values.
Only positive value.
That kind of condition you have to write by using check. Okay. And let's say product to price in Amazon. Can I give product to price is minus 33?
No.
So product price should be a a positive number. So that all kind of checks we can write by using check constraint. Okay. I think this is all good, I believe. Now guys, can you see something, the last column, all values, how they are looking? Same, no?
Same, sir.
Same values.
Then guys, you'll use a constraint called something default. Okay. So default is a one constraint. Okay. Default is a one constraint. What it will do here is it will provide a same value for all rows. Same value for all rows. That is something default. So guys, let me show you the notes first. So to be make everyone on a same page. Yeah, this is something the constraint guys. So you can see it. The first card is unique, not null. Sorry. So read it. It can allow duplicates,
Sir,
but should not allow empty. Yes.
can't we use check on other than integer type, sir?
No. See, that's all the based on situation. Let's say I want to allow a name from only CSC department, not other than CSC department. That's also one check condition, right? So check we can use for both. I think the numbers and alphabets, both you can use it. My bad. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Guys, if you see here, not null, it should not allow empty. This is the first thing you need to understand. Not null means it cannot allow empty. Unique means it cannot allow duplicate. It cannot allow duplicate. Okay. But what it allows, you know it, right? And primary key, yeah, strictly cannot allow empty. Okay, and cannot allow duplicate. It strictly cannot allow empty, cannot allow duplicate. And check it allow a value if it is pass the test. If it is not pass the test, that value will not be storing into the table. And default case, it will give the same value for all the rows for a column. Does that make sense, everyone? All the 5 constraints which I explained so far?
Sir, in which cases we use default? Default.
Let's say, yeah, thanks for asking. Let's say we are all applying a job in India for a central government job. If there's if there's a country field, what is the country field where all we can give?
India,
Same
sir.
India, sir. India.
Same value, right? For all the
India, sir.
users. Yeah, that's where default will be used. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the last one is that is something foreign key constraint. Okay, that's little bit tricky. Okay, so I'll show you what is that constraint now. Now to understand foreign key, there's a two tables guys you have to take it. Two tables you have to take it. Let's say the table one is 1 second guys. 1 second. 1 second. There's 1 second. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so you need to know, I mean, the relationship between the two tables. So let's say a table in something, departments. Let's say another table, the table in something, we can write little bit long. Yeah. Table 2, the table name is something, faculties. Guys, you can imagine your engineering college use case so that, you can easily understood. Okay. Your engineering college use case, you can understood. Okay. I have a table department. I have one more table faculties. Okay. Two tables are there. Now in department table, I have a department ID. Okay. And department name and department count. I mean, how many people are there? Yeah, count. Let's say, count. Now, first department ID is 1, department name is CSC, and department people is 10 people are there. Next two, triple E, same 12 count is there. Okay. Now 3 ECE, let's say again 10, 4, let's say MEC, 15 people, 5 civil, let's say 8 people are there. Okay, just imagine this. So this is something, the first table, which has, 3 columns, which has, three columns. So 3 column names are department ID and department name. Yeah, I'll giving column name is ID, a name and a count. Okay, I think this is clear, everyone. Totally 5 departments are there. This is, department table. Let's talk about guys something, faculty table. In faculty also, we have an ID column, we have a name column, and we have a department column. Okay. Okay, three columns are there, guys. Three columns are there. Three columns are there. Let's talk about the values. Faculty ID is 1, or let's say something, 101 is a faculty ID. Okay, faculty name is something, Deepak, and it belongs to CSC. Guys, 1 I given, 1 means he belongs to CSC. Okay, now 102, okay, let's say James, he is also belongs to CSC. Okay, and 103 is one more girl, she also belongs to CSC. 104, okay, one more guy, he given his department number is something, 6 guys. Now tell me what's the bad data here? Hey guys, what's the bad data here?
In faculty.
Why? Your analysis is correct, but why?
Because we don't have a department 6.
Nice. So, guys, if you see the column department, okay, this column department, these values are taken from department table. Everyone agree or not? Everyone
Yes,
agree or not?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this department column values must, I should say, yeah, must taken from department table only. Guys, if you see now your department table, yeah, your department table is another table, correct? I was using the same colors, guys. Okay, I was using the same color. So faculties is one table. Let's say let's keep something orange color. So this faculty is a one table, and this department is another table. So here only this values, only this values are allowed in this department column, right? In this department column, okay, or let's say something department ID. Let's use the column as department ID, okay, depth ID. So this department ID column should use the values from department table only. Guys, now you have a money in your wallet, right? Is it your money? Hey, is it your money?
Yes,
No,
yes. Yes.
Yes, sir. Are you sure? You earn
parents
the
fund.
money?
Those are my
Exactly.
money.
No, man. Let me complete the concept, okay? Okay, so the thing is what I was explaining, this department ID is a column from faculties. This department ID is a column from faculties table, but this value should come from another table, right? In that case, we have to consider this is as a parent table. Okay, this is we have to consider as a parent table. You understood right now why I'm considering it it's a parent, and this is table is you have to consider child. The same example, I just now asked you a question, right? So you have a money, it's not your money, it's your parent money, right? Similarly, the faculty is a child table, but in child table, one of the column, these values are should taken from a parent table. Okay, so these kind of relationship guys you want to make, then you have to use a concept called something, foreign key. Okay, you have to use a concept called foreign key. Now, in this use case, I should say department ID is a foreign key. I should say department ID is a foreign key. Sir, how? Yeah, I'll tell you. A foreign key is a column in a table. A foreign key is a column in table, one table, and that values are refer from another table primary key. Another table primary key. Another table primary key. I hope this is makes sense, everyone. I'll read it one more time. The definition: a foreign key is a column. A foreign key is a column in a table where these values are taken from another table primary key column. So if you see, department ID values are coming from ID column, and it is a primary key column of a depth table. I hope definition point of view everyone clear, but yeah, let's have a quick recap on the definition. So this is the definition I was talking about. This is the definition I was talking about. So I'll keep the definition on here, guys. You can read it now. You can read it now. This is the definition I was talking about. Okay. So read the definition. A foreign key is a column in one table. What is the one table here? Faculties or parent?
Faculty.
Read it. That points to the primary key in another table. What is another table here?
Department means parent.
Correct. So it is used to connect two tables. It is used to connect two tables. Nothing but foreign key is used to establish the connection between the two tables. Okay. So this is something, what is mean by, guys, foreign key. Is everyone clear? Yeah, maybe I can give very simple example. If the bearer will give a menu to you, okay, you have to order the item from that menu only. You should not order other than it. So your menu is a foreign key. Okay, you should not order other than this. So because this department ID values will take in from this department table ID column only. Hope this will make sense, everyone. Then guys, I think we are good to go, syntax for your create table. As I explained in the beginning, if you want to know how to create a table, two things you should know: data types and constraints. Now you know both. Okay, now you know both. Now we are happy to see the syntax of create table. But before that, let me ask you few questions here. Tomorrow we can see the table creation and all from scratch. Okay, but yeah, let me ask you a few questions here. Yeah, guys, here ID is a column from department table, right? Now tell me what is a constraint you will suggest for it. What is a constraint you will suggest for it?
Primary key. Primary key.
Primary key.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Not nulls and unique values.
Yes, sir.
Right. You should summarize. Sir, if I declare primary key, it means every department should have a number, right? Every department has a should number. So that's it, it's a primary. You're absolutely correct. So, it's a primary key. Okay. What about the department name? What's the
Not null.
constraint I can
Not
give?
null.
Wait. Think. Let's assume if you given not null.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's assume if you given not null, buddy. Yes. No. Wait. I'll come to that point also. Wait. Assume, guys, you given something, not null constraint. You know what not null will do? Can you define what is not null?
Duplicate
Does not
can
allow
It can
What
allow
it allow,
duplicates.
what it
Can't
allow,
allow
what it
null.
not allow.
Sir,
Yeah, two things you
duplicates
need
are
to know.
allowed.
It
Sir,
allows
duplicates
duplicate
are
values.
allowed.
Does not allow null.
Correct. Right. But our scenario is completely, misleading, right? If I say not null, this column will duplicate. It means I can give one for one more department also, I can give CSC name. That's bad, right? I think you understood, right? Guys, what I was talking about? Now you should not give unique. So then can I give unique? Tell me guys, can I give unique?
No, sir. It allows
So
duplicate.
it allows
Empty
duplicate
value.
values.
You can give both.
No.
Sir,
To say
empty
unique
values,
allow
empty
empty
values.
value.
You
But there is no department which has empty, correct? Then maybe you're thinking that sir, then I can give primary key. Can I give primary key?
No, sir.
No, sir.
no
Why?
sir.
No.
Only
Why?
one
Why?
primary
Why?
key in table.
Only one
Only
primary
one.
key
Only
in
one.
table.
Correct. Then the last solution is
Not null plus unique.
correct. Nice. So you can give this combination. Okay, you can give this combination. I hope everyone clear, right? Why I
Sir.
selected,
Sir,
not null and unique?
not null and unique means it is nothing but primary key, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we can write primary key rather than we are using unique plus not null. So primary key is used for this.
Can you read this note, Rakesh?
One table can have one primary key. Sir,
Understood.
yes, sir. Already we declared ID as primary key. Okay, sir.
Right. Okay, understood.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Nice. Not only Rakesh, everyone, guys, if you unmute, you want to give these kind of answers and kind of debate, I'm really happy. Okay, right, nice. This way only, you can understand lot of
Sir,
things. Yes,
can
Nitin.
we give multiple unique unique plus not null values?
Yes. Let's say one more column. Okay, and which has the same requirement. You can give unique and not null option. Okay. Okay, guys, stay on this data type about here. What is the data type you'll suggest here? I mean, sorry, not data type, constraint. What is the constraint you'll suggest for the count?
No.
Wait. If I give not null, it allow duplicates. Clear? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's allowing. That's happy. But okay, if I give minus 12, will it a valid value?
No, sir.
Check,
Then what should I write?
Check
not
Not
null,
null
check,
plus
check condition.
Not null plus check. Okay. I think you're clear, right? When to use this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow, guys, we'll be practicing it. No worries. Okay. And yeah, quickly we go with the faculties table again. Yeah, guys, what is the faculty table? First column, what should I give? Constraint.
Primary key.
Constraint.
Primary key.
Primary.
Nice. Primary key. Okay. What about for name column?
Unique plus not.
Unique plus not null.
Hold on.
No,
Only not
only
null.
not null.
Only not
Only
null.
not
null.
null, sir. Only not null.
Only not null, man. Why?
Yes.
Why?
Because
Why?
names are
Names can be same, sir.
can be duplicates.
Correct. And what about the constraint for department ID?
Foreign key.
Yeah, but there is no foreign key. Okay, there is no foreign key in Oracle. The foreign key is there in MySQL. Okay, but foreign key is not there. Instead, guys, we use a keyword called something references. Tomorrow we'll
Reference.
see how to use the references. Okay, yeah, that's all for today, guys. Tomorrow don't miss because we'll be creating these tables and I'll be validating all the constraints. Okay, don't miss. It's very important to the next session. Okay.
Sir, other than foreign key, other 5 will be existed in Oracle also.
Yes, only foreign key, has replacement word references. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank
Bye,
you, sir.
guys. Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Sure,
Good night.
bye, sir.
Bye.